With technology, anyone can be a videographer these days. I mean, your cell phone, whether you have an Android or an iPhone, they can take some absolutely amazing, simply stellar video. But do you know the basic shots that a videographer uses? If you know a few basic shots, you can go to a story with limited video and turn it into a lot. I want to show you some simple techniques. I went out to the park to demonstrate what I mean. The three main types of shots are tight shot, medium shot, and wide shot. Here's your tight shot of the park. Then you have a medium shot, and there is your wide shot. Whether you're filming on a cell phone, video camera, or DSLR, it doesn't matter. You never want your shots to be all the same. Notice all the wide shots here. That is boring video. You should mix it up. Then you have different camera angles. On the right side, I am demonstrating how you record the shot. On the left side is what the shot looks like. This is a high angle shot of the steps at the park. Then you have the eye level shot. That's the normal camera shot that people take. Finally, there is the low angle shot. On some stories, for one reason or another, there is not a lot of video to shoot, but you can make it work by using these different angles. You also have camera moves. A pan is moving the camera from side to side. Here's a pan left to right, then right to left. When you tilt, you go up and down. From the sun, down to the street. Then from the grass, up to the street. Another move is zoom. It's very common. It's moving in closer, and you can do this at different speeds. When using a cell phone, though, it can be difficult to do a smooth zoom, so another option could be to move closer physically. Let's take a look at a sequence. You have an establishing shot or scene setter. Some people call it typically a wide shot. Then here you have a tight shot of a face. Then it moves to a tight shot on the hands. Other common shots involve people walking or running. You also have cutaway shots, which are additional generic shots. Let's look at a sequence with some narration. The sun is out, and so are the people driving to various destinations. But due to the pandemic, many parks remain empty. No smiling kids on the slides, and no boys and girls running up and down the steps. That is a brief example of how to use the shots and match the words to your video. Did you get all of those techniques? There was a lot in there. If you need to, watch the video again so you can use those techniques effectively. Now that you have some newfound shooting techniques, you just need some stories to go out and practice on. I want you to comment on this video below and also subscribe to my channel for more tips on how you can use video and your voice to tell stories like a pro.